Marami ba kayong leftovers sa fridge nyo? Madami. But no worries, kasi today, gagawa tayo ng refrigerator fried rice. This is your Chef Andre, and this is Chef on the Go. Ang mga ingredients ng ating refrigerator fried rice is of course ang 1-day-old rice natin. Preferably 1-day-old para mas medyo buhagag na siya. Next is our chicken adobo flakes. We have our luncheon meat, we have lemon, cilantro, parsley, onions, bell pepper, green and yellow, we have cumin, onion leeks, lettuce, oil, paprika, chili, and garlic and herb. And of course, pampasarap nating garlic. Fresh garlic. Alright, so magluluto na tayo, okay? Okay, so now we cook. First, heat your oil. Saute your onions. Right there, and season with a little bit of salt. Toss in the garlic. And our luncheon meat and our chicken. All right. These ingredients are pretty much cooked, so we're just gonna wait for that to sort of marry and then caramelize a little bit. So this is gonna take about a minute or minute and a half. See, hindi ito mahirap gawin. Napakadali. Maraming ingredients, maraming leftover, pero at the end, sobrang dali, sobrang simple, sobrang sarap, at pwede natin itong baunin. Pwede natin itong gawing araw-araw dahil I'm sure lagi tayong may leftover. Okay, now, we are gonna season it with our spices. This is about 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, same, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and ang ating garlic and herb mixture. Hahaluin lang natin siya hanggang sa mag-caramelize at mag-marry lahat ng flavors ng mga sangkap na nandito. Pagkatapos niyan, isasali na natin itong rice. Let's make sure na buhaghag yung kanin natin para hindi siya nagdidikit-dikit. Para ba tayong gumagawa ng garlic rice? Okay, again, let's season with salt. And a little bit of pepper. Ihalo lang natin ng ihalo hanggang makita natin yung rice na na-absorb niya yung mga juices ng mga luncheon meat, ng chicken, yung oil na na-infuse ng mga spices natin. Alright. Ngayon pa lang naaamoy ko na. It really, really smells good. Who would believe na leftover to? Okay. A few more seconds. And we are going to toss in our vegetables. First, our peppers, green and yellow. A little bit of parsley. And mix again. At pagkatapos, ang ating onion leeks. Kaya ngayon natin isasama yung onion leeks dahil ayaw natin siya ma-overcook. Gusto natin may konting crisp. Alright. And do not forget one of our aromatics, which is the cilantro or wansoy. Okay. And lastly, ang lettuce. Kaya natin to ihuhuli dahil ayaw natin siya mag-wilt or lumanta. Konting toss lang, and then we're done. Now, we are ready to plate. See? Hindi siya ganun kahirap. It's affordable dahil leftover nga siya, pero napakasarap. This recipe will serve about 4 to 3 depending on your appetite. But for me, I want to eat a lot. See, it's that easy. But before anything else, let me take a photo so I can share it with you on Instagram and Facebook. Alright, tingnan nyo naman, napakadali, masarap, at madami. Pwede nyo siyang i-share sa mga opisina nyo. Okay, now, this is Andre, your chef, and I'll see you next time.